Hello, friends. Welcome to SRK Dream India's Health, Wealth and Happiness Business Plan, where dreams really do come true. The company's head office is located at Teen Hath Naka, Thane, Mumbai. It has all the legal documents on the basis of which you can promote this business across India. The managing director of the company is Mr. Shiv Narayan Kevat Sir, who has around 20 years of valuable experience in the network industry, and with his product knowledge, he has achieved a very good reputation. In SRK Dream India, there are two different types of income plans. 1. First purchase plan. 2. Repurchase plan. In this video, we are going to understand only the first purchase plan. Before learning the plan, let's first talk about the first purchase products. Friends, here you get products ranging from ₹1,000 to ₹15,000. You can purchase as per your need and start your business. In ₹1,000, the available products are 1. Wings Anion Sanitary Napkin. 2. Mountain Berry Sea Buckthorn Juice. 3. Shilajit Power Gold Capsules. 4. Anti-radiation mobile chip. 5. All-season Agri Booster. Higher range products include Alkaline Water Camper 2.5 liter with metal bracelet, ₹5,300. Biomagnetic Mattress Set, ₹7,500. Combo Pack 2.5 liter Alkaline Camper plus Mattress Set, ₹12,500. Combo Pack 5 liter Alkaline Camper plus Mattress Set, ₹15,000. You can choose any product according to your requirement. Now let's move towards the business plan. The first income is called direct referral income, also known as sponsor income. This income is distributed on PV basis, where 1 PV is equal to 1 rupee. For example, if you sponsor someone with a 100 PV product, your income will also be 100 rupees. This income gets credited into your account after 24 hours. From this, a 10% deduction is done and the remaining ₹90 is credited into your bank account. You can sponsor unlimited people and enjoy this benefit. And the best part is, there is no condition or limitation for this income.
Let's move towards the second income, which is matching bonus. To earn the matching bonus, there are no conditions given. That means, to receive this income, you don't need to have two direct compulsions, nor is there any other requirement. You get this matching income on a 1:1 ratio. For example, as you can see, Ravi purchased a product of 1000 PV and similarly, Kumar purchased a product of 1000 PV. This PV gets matched and your income becomes 1000 rupees. Apart from this, the closing happens every 12 hours and the capping is 2500 rupees in every 12 hours, which means in a full day, you can earn up to ₹5,000. Now let's move towards the third and unique income, which is 100% direct sponsor matching income. This is a game-changer income that can fulfill your dreams. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose both Ravi and Kumar are your direct sponsors, and both of them have taken the capping income of 2500 rupees. Since they are your direct sponsors, you get 100% matching of their income. That means, from Ravi you get 2500 rupees, from Kumar you get 2500 rupees, plus from your own matching you also get 2500 rupees. So your total income becomes 7500 rupees. The best part about this income is that even if a single sponsor is taking matching income, you still receive 100% of that sponsor's matching income, whether your other leg is working or not. That means we can say you get income even on a single leg. Friends, in SRK Dream India, the basic problems can be solved within just 30 days if you work with proper planning. Let's understand with some simple calculations how we can solve our basic problems and generate good income. Suppose on your left and right, you have 5 people and all these 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 people are your direct sponsors. If all of them make a matching income of ₹100 each, then from these 10 people you get 1000 rupees and along with that, your own binary income is 500 rupees. In this way, even with a small turnover, you earn 1500 rupees per day, which means 45,000 rupees per month. Now, if you provide good service and education to your team and increase their binary income to rupees 200 each, then your 1500 rupees income becomes 3000 rupees per day, which means 90,000 rupees per month. Going further, if you give the same good service and make these 10 people typing achievers and all of them are earning rupees 2500 per day, then from these 10 people alone you receive 25,000 sponsor income plus your own 2500 rupees income, which totals 27,500 rupees per day. If we calculate this for 1 year, friends, it becomes a magic income of around 99 lakhs. That is, you can earn up to 1 crore in a year. Friends, this is a golden opportunity in front of you. Don't miss it. Whoever has shared this video with you, make sure to call them once, confirm your meeting, and start working towards your dreams. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.